Welcome back to my channel. Today's focus is on the primary bedroom and bathroom. I definitely need to deep clean my bathroom, and I'm just gonna pick up a little bit in the bedroom. Not much. I need to get the sheets in the washing machine, and I'm gonna vacuum. That's pretty much it for the bedroom. Also have a Target haul to share with you guys, so let's get started. I'm gonna throw in a scoop of my conditioning beads. I cannot find this in the store, but it's by Downy, and they're called Downy Defy Damage conditioning beads, and they help prevent stretching and fading and a couple other things I can't remember, but they're really good in darks as well. They do smell really good, but I don't think they're as strong as your regular scent beads. I had a load of clean towels to fold, so I brought those upstairs while the sheets are washing. Before I start cleaning the bathroom, let me tell you about our favorite razors that we've been using for years now, and that is Harry's. So thank you so much to Harry's for sponsoring this part of my video. So if you're not familiar with Harry's, they are a razor brand that pride themselves on having the sharpest blades ever, a design that gives optimal grip and control, perfect for not only men but women too. Also, their prices are really good. What I'm showing you right now is the starter kit. So you get a 5-blade razor cartridge, you get a weighted textured handle, the shave gel with alloy, and you get a little travel blade cover, all for $3. This is a $13 value, but if you use my link down below, you will get it for way less. So if your job or your family likes to play those white elephant gift games during the holidays, this is a really good one to add to that game. These are perfect stocking stuffers for your mom, your dad, a sister, your brother. Anybody who appreciates a really good razor would definitely love Harry's. And like I said, it's $3 for the starter kit if you click my link down below. All right, so onto the bathroom. I know you guys probably can't see it on camera, but it's definitely time to give this bathroom a deep clean. We have makeup in the sink. There's hair all over the floor. I need to clean the shower, the mirrors. I need to vacuum and mop the floors. I need to wipe down the cabinet and drawer fronts, wipe the knobs and light switches, and even wipe the doors down. It's just time to give it a good deep clean, and we're gonna start with the vanity.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again.
Today in the shower, I'm going to be using the Clorox Tile X, and this is the best tile cleaner I have ever used. All you do is spray it, and a few minutes later, the mold or mildew or any discoloration in your tiles or in between your tiles is gone. You barely have to scrub. I'm going to be scrubbing my shower, and don't worry about those loofahs. Those are going to go in the trash. So I'm going to spray it all over my shower and let it sit for a couple minutes while I move on to something else.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds. And as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes
Now I'm going to shake out the rugs. There's a lot of hair in these rugs and all over my floor, so I'm going to put these in the washing machine after I shake them out really good, and then I'm going to sweep and mop the floor. Some of you guys asked me about my push mop, and I love this thing. It's by O-Cedar. It's not battery operated. There's a trigger on the handle, and that's what you use to spray the cleaner. I like that you can put whatever mixture or cleaner you want, and I love that I can reuse the mop head just by throwing them in the washing machine. I mainly use this only in the bathrooms unless it's a 100% clean mop head and there's a quick spill or something sticky that I need to hurry up and get up off the floor in the kitchen or something. But for the most part, I like to use them only in the bathrooms because it's just so easy to carry around the house. I'm gonna clean all the doors in my bathroom. They can get a lot of buildup if you don't spray them down often. I get makeup on them just from makeup being on my hands after I'm doing my makeup, or hairspray and other hair products. So I'm gonna wipe them down. I'm gonna be using my Mrs. Meyer's fall leaf scent, so nothing too harsh, and it smells really, really good.
Baby, I've been thinking about the things we said. Oh yeah. And maybe we'd be better off being just friends. Oh yeah. It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone.
The sheets are finally done, so I'm gonna put those in the dryer, and that little pile of towels that you see on top of the washing machine actually belong in the garage, so I'm gonna put those away, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little Target haul. Alright, so I went to Target early this morning before I started cleaning the bathroom, and I picked up a few things that I needed for the house, starting with these blackout curtains. These are the 95-inch by Threshold. I need these for our bedroom upstairs. I didn't want anything dark, but I still wanted something that's light and bright, but also blackout, so I picked up 4 of those. I got some more laundry sanitizer. I need to refill that, so I'm going to do that in a minute. And these bowls have been out of stock in our Target forever, and I use these plastic black bowls along with the plates for the kids, so I picked up a couple more bowls. I use the Febreze brand plugins because I love these the best. They work really well. They have a lot of good scents to choose from, and it's really convenient. I can find it at any grocery store, Target, Walmart, anywhere. So I needed 2 more plugins to go upstairs, so I picked 2 of those up. And then I got this limited edition scent, which is the Fresh Baked Vanilla, and it smells really, really good. Perfect for fall and winter. I picked up 2 glow-in-the-dark Halloween t-shirts for the kids. So I saw this new line displayed on one of the end caps in the beauty section, and I think it's by Ashley Tisdale, and it's all supposed to be clean ingredients, so nothing harsh. I picked up the hair, body, and linen mist in the lavender scent, and it smells really, really good, and I love the packaging. So we've been needing some new silverware for a long time. We actually found some in Crate and Barrel a while back that we really liked, but when I saw these are so similar to those in Crate and Barrel. So I got 2 boxes. Each box is serviced for 4, so we picked up 2 so we'll have enough. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're a really pretty, like, muted down brushed gold color. They're by the Threshold brand, and they say that they're supposed to be dishwasher safe, so we'll see. It's been a while since I purchased a new wreath for our door, and when I saw this one, I knew I had to have it because it's actually real preserved magnolia leaves, and it's by the Threshold brand. I love all the different colors in this wreath. It's not too out there, but I also feel like it'll look good on our door because our door is black. I can use it all fall, all the way through Thanksgiving, and I can even put it up after Christmas for the remaining winter months. Last but not least, you guys know we are planning on making over our upstairs TV room, and we need a floor lamp for the corner in there. I'll probably take it out the box and set it up just to see if I actually like it. If not, it's an easy return and I will just keep looking. But judging from the box, I feel like I really might like this one. So for our room, there are some things that we want to do in here. We still need to hang those mirrors up on the wall above our nightstands. We need to hang our new curtains that I just showed you guys. I want to put some things on the wall. We want a dresser, and I possibly would like a little seating area in front of the window, but not too much going on in here at the moment. Thinking about changing up how I make up my bed just a little bit, and I've always wanted that knit blanket that I put in our guest bedroom in our bedroom. So before I go out and buy one, I went ahead and just took that one out of there just for today, and I really do like it in here. I might actually get a different color than this darker brown, but we'll see. But that is it for today's video. Also, don't forget to check out harrys.com so you can get your very own $3 starter kit, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.